Hello crafters and welcome back to Craft Kala. So let's make a card for Mother's Day. We will start with a brown sheet of paper. Take any appropriate size of your choice and fold it into half and cut the angles as I'm doing in the video. This will make them look round in shape. After finishing that, take a red sheet of paper. Make sure that the red sheet of paper is 2 to 4 mm shorter than the base, that is the brown sheet, on all the four sides. Make the angles of red sheet round in shape as I'm doing. Now paste it. After doing that, in the same way, paste the red sheet of paper on the inside of the cards and on the both sides. Now when you are done with it, cut a tag of white design paper and paste it. Now for the cover design, write the wish Happy Mother's Day on the front side. And when you are done with it, make some small envelopes and paste them. So it is very easy. Now you are done with it. Now on the other side, just draw a freehand design as I am doing. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.